Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this, putting a heart. I just went to DA Fonts, typed in heart shapes, and came up with this, and picked the heart I kind of liked. I want to say the H. And I downloaded the font. It's free. You can donate to the author if you wish. But then you could rewrite this whole thing, and let's make it 100 points so you can see it. I'll tell you what, without selecting anything, I'm going to change my default to. So I'm going to type in Doug space H space NANCE space H. Stay with me here. E. Oh, I didn't do the BAC, B-A-C, space, H, space. I'm trying to type and talk. Space, H, and then the last word or last name. So now you have it. Now we're going to change the font to our font that we want, which is, I'm trying to stay close, so I'm going to go Times New Roman. And then, so you've got your font. Let's reduce it a little bit, kind of make it look like the example here. And this is what's so kind of cool about this, because now it's always a font, and you can do a lot of things with it. Make it a little bit bigger. And then all you have to do is, I mean, it's a little bit time consuming. Take your text tool and just highlight that H and go to the last font used, which is shape, and it did that, H. Now, if you notice, it's a little small, but we can always go back and change them. I'm going to go ahead and do them all just to show you how easy this is. And I picked that H because I like the size, or I like the shape of it. So now, let's say if that's not big enough, you could always make that bigger by taking the text tool and highlighting that text, and let's make it 100 points. See, it made it the size, pretty much the size of the other font. Let's go ahead and finish this job. Looks pretty cool. I like and then what's neat about this, you can use it for different text to path in the future of, if you want to change something. So now we've got it all done. It is a text. So now let's move this stuff out of the way. We can actually delete that. Hit P, just put that in the center of the page, which doesn't really matter. And then grab our text to path, and voila, you have it done. Pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank